So this right here is the outside of the hostel. You just come in. You need to leave your shoes outside and trekking pole, which I absolutely like. We come into the hostel, and first thing we have is the kitchen. And then we self-service, washer and dryer. This right here is sodas for sale, Gatorade, and this is the hiker fridge. This day here offers free breakfast and dessert.
I don't dig anymore.
And then there's a couple hikers here just shooting the shit.
No, she's making the stuff up.
Just shit on the ground.
Oh my goodness. They're talking about poop. This is the bunk room, one of the bunk rooms. Bathroom, and they also have a porta john outside. The bathroom is taken. And another bunk room.
And then I use a stick to mark.
And then of course the living area with a huge TV, loaner closets in the corner, and hiker boxes in the other corner.
I've seen sticks everywhere.
And this is where I stayed last night, which is a room. And we had 2 twin beds, that's where we stayed. Here's the other one, and then there's an actual room but here in the back. And yeah, that is the tour of Stanimals Hostel. So we are about to load up. Charlie, our host, is going to taking us back to the trailhead, and we're going to start hiking again. Okay. So we're back on trail. Did not want to leave the hostel. It was such a nice stay. Charlie was an amazing host. Super funny dude. He made us feel like home there. It was really nice. So today we have a huge climb, and hopefully we'll complete it before the mid heat of the day. Supposed to be super hot, but we're also supposed to get thunderstorms. So we're hoping to make it to our destination before we die of heat exhaustion and before the thunderstorms. So let's see how it goes. Okay, team, let's get to work. Nice little campsite. All right, team. This climb sucks so much. I'm kind of getting a little bit of views, but not enough. Hopefully, when I get to the very top, I'll get some views. But this one's tough. Tougher than the ones I did a couple days back. Oh, this is straight up. Oh my God, I can't wait to make it to the top, but I just want to give you a quick update. I know, sorry if I sound like I'm dying right now. But we got this. Let's keep going. Well, finally got a better view, right? And you see that bridge right there? That's the bridge we cross. Crazy, right? Wow, we have hiked that long. Amazing. It doesn't cease to amaze me sometimes, the progress. All right, let's keep going. Yep, up that way. Came into this really sad grave. I'm sure some of you have seen this before on AT videos, but it breaks my heart. I am so sorry, little Audie. I can't even begin to imagine something like that would have happened to any of my kids. But we hit a clearing here. Oh, nice little spot to rest. There's rain coming. A welcome relief to this heat Holy cow. It's coming. It's coming. Crazy. Whoa, this is getting crazy. Once again, it went from like inferno to like almost tornado like. Yes, it is. After being rained on for about half an hour, I came up to this. Look how beautiful it is. Just flowers color. Gorgeous. And then the rain makes everything so more vibrant. So I am in camp already in my tent because there's lots of bugs. Let me show you. Look at that. They're all trying to eat me. And if you hear very closely, I am tenting close to a pond by the shelter. So lots of frogs. And they're very loud. So, yeah. As I mentioned before, today was another hot day. Very, very humid. That really, really sucked, and it was dry. But we made it. We did 10.5 miles, and tomorrow we're gonna do 11.5 to go into town and resupply for 4 days. And then after that, we'll get to Waynesboro. So I'm excited. Besides that, I'm just really happy to be here. Even though it sucked and we got rained on, like full-on thunderstorm, pour on us. My clothing's like drying outside in the line. Hopefully it'll be dry by tomorrow. Probably not, but here's to hoping. Besides that, it was a great day, and I would not change anything for the world. All right, team. I hope everybody has a great evening, and I will see you in the morning.